Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I went to the store and I picked up this Bowman 2019 blaster box. In two previous videos I opened a hobby box that I purchased from eBay and a value pack that I purchased from Target. This was the last blaster box that they had at my local Walmart, so or else I probably would have bought more. But yeah, let's open this blaster box. I did make the hobby box video into two separate videos just so I would have enough time to go through each card and show what I got. The hobby box, or this blaster box, is not guaranteed any hits, but it does come with 72 cards in 6 packs, as you can see there. So no guaranteed hits. I don't know if it's even possible for you to pull an autograph or anything out of one of these. I really haven't done too much searching for that information, but hopefully we can pull a relic or something out of these 6 packs. Vlad Jr. on the cover there. He is making his MLB debut today, the day that I am recording this. Nothing too crazy so far. I've collected quite a few David Fletcher rookies and Michael Kopech rookies. Still have yet to pack a Wander Franco. Those cards are pretty popular this year. It's actually, I think, his base card sells for around $10 from what I've seen. Hey, there we go. Williams Astudillo rookie card, numbered 32 out of 99. That's cool. The green refractor. La Tortuga. It's a cool card. Victor Mesa. This one says Victor Mesa Jr. I think the other one I have says Victor Mesa. It's kind of different. Astudillo is a fun guy to watch. Can play almost any position. I think his primary position is a catcher, I believe. Stanton hasn't had too much productivity so far this year because he's been injured. Another Bo Bichette 30th anniversary card. I already packed one of those earlier. It'd be pretty crazy if I packed a Wander Franco autograph card. Those cards are selling for upwards of $1,000 if they're a refractor, especially. I don't know what the odds of his cards are though. Evidently not too high for the price that they're selling at. Danny Jansen's playing well this year. From what I'm seeing so far, I'm getting a lot of duplicates that I've unboxed in other packs as well. But that's to be expected. Little talent pipeline. Joey Bart's on there. Alright, we're down to our last pack. Could be the best pack, if we're being hopeful. Doesn't look like any refractors in this one. No, not in this one. Shohei Ohtani, those cards are valuable, even as base cards. He's yet to play this year though, just because he's been injured. Alright, that was it for the quick blaster box opening from Walmart. The highlight of this box is definitely the Astudillo rookie numbered green refractor card. I don't think I've pulled any other green refractor cards, but I did pull this Daz Cameron in the last video that I made. Thank you guys for watching, and I will have more pack unboxings uploaded in the future as well. If you guys like these videos, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way to helping out the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.